Hello everyone, this is Noor and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you guys could see from the title, yes, it's another Just4Kira contact lenses review, and I'm really excited to show you guys the colors that I have received. If you guys don't know already, I already filmed 2 videos for Just4Kira and they've been going insane and that's thanks to you guys. So today I'm doing a third one for you guys, and these are really fun and different colors that I've never tried before, so I'm quite excited to show you guys the colors that they have sent me. Before I go ahead and show you guys the colors, if you're new here to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and taking your time to watch my video. It really means a lot to me. And if you guys haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and the notification button to get notified every time I upload a new video. It would really mean a lot to me as well, and I would love to have you guys aboard on the light family that I have here on my channel. On that note, let's go ahead and change our eyeball colors one more time. So before I go ahead and show you guys the colors, thank you so much for Just4Kira and also Mia that I've been in contact with for the past 3 times, and we went ahead and we changed the discount code for everybody. So instead of LBBYND, now it's LBBYND1, and that is going to give you 20% off on your purchase. So just so that you guys know, please go ahead and start using the new code for your discount for your new purchases. I will leave my affiliate link down below for you guys and the discount code as well. And as always, I'll be leaving all the names and the links of the contact lenses down below in the description box for you guys. If you are interested in the colors that I'm going to show you, you can go ahead and check out all the links down below. I have addressed the first video on my second video, answering a few questions from there. I haven't gotten so much questions on my second video, so I guess everything is well and understood. I'm just gonna go ahead and go over a few little details about Just4Kira just to give you an idea. They are located in Korea and I do live in Canada, so shipping wise is about 2 weeks if you guys are wondering. It all depends on the carriers. I know they all have a problem now because of COVID, but you know what, it's 2 years we're in it, they should figure their stuff out. But overall, if you live in the States or Canada, it's about 2 weeks. Also, what's cool about Just4Kira is that if you require glasses like myself, I wear glasses on daily basis. I just have a vision problem, I can't see from far away. They are more than happy to actually add your contact lens degree in the contact lenses, which is awesome. So this is the box that I have received. It says Just4Kira. As you guys all know, I love packaging. This is really simple, but I kind of really like it. I can't tilt it so much because I have the stuff inside, and I love this little phrase here, lost in your eyes. It's so freaking cute, and it's actually perfect for Valentine's Day. If you want to spice up your Valentine's Day with new eyeball colors, then why not? I did order some colors for Valentine's Day because I do have a couple of looks, like eye makeup looks. If you guys don't know, I create makeup tutorials here on YouTube, and these are some colors that I just kind of picked out for Valentine's Day for my fun and festive Valentine's Day looks this year. I do have one specifically that I want to create and I'm really excited for, and I feel like one of the colors could be amazing with that look, so I guess I'm gonna start off with that color first. I did go ahead and order 2 funky colors that people don't normally wear, but honestly, if you guys don't know me by now, I mean, your girl couldn't get any funkier than that. I do crazy makeup looks and I leave the house looking like that, which honestly I don't mind. I get compliments all the time, so I guess it's for a good cause. First color I have here is this one. Obviously the packaging, it's still the same. I love it. The rose gold, the mirage color. I'm not sure if they have like some styles to them. I guess it is the mirage collection, I'm not sure, but anyways, I will just leave them all in the description box down below for you guys. And this color here is called Ginger G Pink. Yes, it's pink, and I'm so excited to show you these right here. Just an FYI, give you again a description. So up here you have the color, you have the name of the color, and also if you have a vision degree, then it will be written on the box. Also, when you open it up, you have like always instructions in here. Ooh. You have like always instructions, but They're all in Chinese. They all come in this little pouch, and it looks like that. Obviously I emptied mine out because I already have it soaking in my contact lens solution, which is a tip that you should do with your contact lenses, is that when you get them, just have them sit in your contact lens solution about 24 hours before putting them on. If you are too excited, you can go ahead and wear them. Just make sure that your eyes might dry out. Just an FYI. I feel like when I started soaking them in my contact lens solution, the dryness didn't happen as often, so I guess that is why. So that is a tip. So like always, when I'm trying on the contact lenses, I will show you how they look like, and I'll also take pictures, so probably gonna be here or here to show you a closer look, as I can't get so close to my camera, but again, I will try my best. So this is the first one. First of all, I love their containers. So when you buy the contact lenses, they do send you the containers for free, and I love the fact that it's transparent. You can see your color in there, and they also send you the tools that is needed to apply your contact lenses. So it comes with this kind of like a suction thing right here that looks like that. I honestly am terrified with using this, but if you're comfortable using this, this is amazing, the fact that it comes with it. My favorite is just the tweezer, that I can just pick up the contact lenses with this. And I normally like to put my contact lenses with my hands. So if you are somebody who puts their contact lenses with your hands or with your fingers, make sure that you have clean hands before putting anything closer to your eyeball. And this is how the pink one looks like. You can definitely see the pink in there. Again, it has the dark outline to make your eyes look bigger. But look how pretty this is. I'm obsessed with this one. What is that black thing on my hand? Oh, it's eyeliner. I basically look away, I place it, and then I look toward it. Oh my god, this is pretty. This definitely made my iris size bigger. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see it that well, but look how pretty that is. Comparing it to my dark eye, this covers up very well. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with this one. I can't wait to create my Valentine's Day look now. Look how pretty that is. I don't know, it kind of gives me like gray vibes as well, but honestly, it is such a beautiful color. It's so unique, it's so different. It's definitely a pink that is kind of wearable, that you can still wear it outside if you want to, but I feel like this is great for cosplay. If you're somebody who does cosplay and costumes and all of that, which girl, I admire so much. I'm not really into cosplay myself, but I like to see people who loves to do cosplay, and trust me, it's so inspiring. So this is definitely somebody who is into cosplay, and I just highly recommend it for that. It's just amazing. Look how beautiful these are. Let me get a closer look so you guys could see. I'm obsessed with these. They are so freaking nice. Before I go ahead and move on to the second color, obviously I'm gonna go ahead and take pictures and show you guys a closer look. But also, if you guys are wondering, I don't get any tunnel vision with this one. They're very comfortable on. Honestly, I absolutely love them. I just have so much light in my room that I'm having a hard time opening my eyes because it's so bright in here. But honestly, like, I love them. They're very comfortable on, no vision tunnel. And the fact that they made my iris look bigger, I love that. Just to show you guys how I remove my contact lenses, it's very easy. I just tuck on my eye a little bit, I create like a little pinch, and I remove it just like this. I do see a lot of people using this section as well to remove them. I don't know how that works, but I don't want to say try it and maybe hurt yourself, so I don't know. There's a lot of solutions. There's also this thing that I saw on TikTok that people twist their lids or whatever and it comes off. Whatever it's easier for you to remove your contact lenses, go ahead and do it. Next color, this one is really interesting too. This is called Glitter G Violet. And look at that, it's actually purple, and I'm really excited about this one. When I'm looking closer into the color, I definitely see like little glitter. Obviously not chunky glitter, it's in the print. It looks kind of like little sparkles everywhere, which is really pretty, and I'm super excited about trying this one out. So this one here, I'm not sure if you're able to see it that well. You can't really see the glitters or the sparkles in there that well, but you can definitely see the purple going on. There is some pink hints in it, and obviously the darker rim around it is a dark purple, which is so pretty. This one is so pretty. My eyes might turn a little bit red, and it's okay because they're just naturally irritated today. I had a hard time doing my makeup this morning because of my eyes. Comparing it to this eye, this is definitely more on the pinky purple side, but I honestly really like it. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see the little glitters in the contact lens itself, but I'm just really obsessed with this one. Okay, I have to say that this one so far is my favorite. It's really pretty. I love the little hint of purple that it has, and the sparkles like that it has in it. They're very small, they're very minimum, but honestly, if somebody's looking at you super close, or even if you're looking at yourself super close to a mirror, you're definitely going to see the sparkles. Hopefully on picture you will get to see them a little bit, but this is how this looks like. Again, these are perfect for cosplay. They do give me kind of like gray vibes as well. There's no vision tunnel in it. I think I'm gonna say this in all the colors just to give you guys an idea. There is no vision tunnel in this one, but the color is beautiful. Again, I feel like for cosplay, these are amazing. But yeah, this is how they look like, and honestly guys, I'm obsessed with this one. Now we're heading into the more wearable colors, and this one here is called NASA G Blue, and obviously it's just a blue color. Again, same packaging, same everything, and this is how it looks like. I have to say, you guys, the word NASA in here, I definitely thought like about stars and whatever. These has that. There's the stars in the contact lenses. There's like sparkles, little stars. I'm just obsessed with these, and they are so pretty. So let's go ahead and give you guys a closer look. Looking closer to it is so pretty. It has like pink stars in it, and it looks like a shooting star. There's like a line of gold in it. It is just absolutely stunning. Hopefully the camera could pick it up here to show you guys how it looks like. These are really pretty. You can definitely check out their website if you want to see more details on this contact lenses, just because my camera, for some reason, it keeps changing the light. But hopefully you guys could see the stars and the shooting star in there. It's just absolutely stunning. Oh my god, oh my god. These are so pretty. I think I like them more than the purple ones. They are really pretty. Look at that. Hopefully you guys could see this. Oh my god, you can definitely see the stars a little bit in there. Look, comparing it to my dark eye here, it definitely covers up. But look how pretty. Could you guys see the stars and like the gold rim in here, like the gold line? Your girl is obsessed with this one. My eyes are like super irritated today. It's not from the contact lenses, just an FYI. They're just naturally very irritated today. They were burning me all night last night. But anyways, look at this color. Look at this style. I am totally obsessed with this one. I don't know if you guys could see the stars. I think you can. But again, I'll take a picture. You guys could see it closely. NASA Blue is my favorite one. It is so pretty. I'm obsessed, you guys. I love this one. Let me go ahead and take pictures. So they're exactly like the blue one, but they are gray, and I am really excited about those. Oh my god, it does have the stars on them. I feel like you guys were able to see the stars on the blue one in the picture a little bit better, but honestly in real life these are just out of the world beautiful. And this also kind of has the gold rims as well to the stars. Let me just go ahead and see if you guys will be able to see it a little bit. Look how pretty. I don't know if you guys are able to see the stars on the gold rim. Oh yeah, you can definitely see the stars in these a little bit more. I think because the stars are kind of like whitish. I feel like in this one you definitely see the stars a little bit more just because they're kind of like whitish, and you can definitely see the gold shooting star line here. That is really pretty. And again, it covers up the dark eyes. If you have dark eyes, look how beautiful that is. I think you guys all know by now, after like the third video doing contact lenses for Just4Kira, you guys all know that I love gray contact lenses. I feel like it suits me so nicely, and I just really like this color a lot. But also the style of these is so different, so unique. Again, no tunnel vision in this one, same thing as the blue one. I didn't get any tunnel vision in it. The vision in this is really nice. It's my degree. Alrighty you guys, this is the last color, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video with it on because I'm just totally obsessed with this one. It's really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this review video. I really hope you guys liked the colors. I really wanted to try something different for this review, and honestly I'm obsessed with all of them. I can't wait to try them on in my next makeup tutorials. Thank you again so much for Mia and for Just4Kira as well for sending me their beautiful colors and beautiful collection. I am just so in love. Again, if you are interested in any colors, make sure you check out the description box, and also don't forget to use my coupon code LBBYND1 for 20% off your purchase. On that note, I want to wish you guys a wonderful day. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you later. Bye.